Grand awakening, Taurus, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Book a massage. Check out the books, the NFTs, the music. We have some great things in there. Your word of the day, unconditional love. Taurus, you're unconditionally loved. You have unconditional love in your DNA. Once you love everything, once you love yourself, your surroundings, your life, and you share that and you bleed that into other people's lives, that's when your life changes. That's when you elevate. Remember, you know how it feels to be unconditionally loved because everyone loves a Taurus. You're a secure sign, you're a foundation, you're stability. You are the love that everyone needs in the world, and you teach us how to do it. My heart is free from resentment towards others. Let it go. What doesn't serve you, let it go. Come to your blessing. I open my eyes of my heart and discover the beauty and the light of every being. I'm aware that suffering can cause distress and hurt people. Hurt people, hurt people. Heal people, heal people. Remember, and I see the pure child of everyone. I practice forgiveness because when you can see the child in someone's eyes, you understand family, friend, foe, if they're doing it on purpose or not. You can see the child in them and they don't know better. Therefore, you give them grace. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.